What is up, people of the internet? My name is P Gaming, and I ordered something to fulfill the entirety of my gaming computer. So let's just unbox it and see what's in here. So I think by the name you might be able to guess what it is, because Google is your friend. Let me just quickly use my scissors and let me just unbox it as well accordingly. So let's try to unbox it in a way that you guys can see it as well. So as I said, my videos are not professional. I do this only for fun and only for knowledge, so that you guys can see or gain from what I am trying to show to you. So as you can see, there's nothing inside. We will just throw it away. Now, what do we have here? What do we have here? Okay. So let's just try to cut this, and let's just try to cut this from this side as well. So as you can see, this is Keychron's keyboard, and it's a mechanical keyboard, and it's going to be custom built by me, or say assembled by me. So I think these are going to be the yellow switches, the silent yellow Keychron switches. I will unbox it in a moment. Let's see. So yeah, this is the first time that I'm getting a mechanical keyboard, and that too a custom one. Let's hope everything is going to be fine and everything's going to be intact as well. Let's just try to unbox this. Alright then, what is this? Let's just check. So this is a keycap set. I think, so yeah, these are the keycap set, and these are white and should have been bluish one. I mean, that's what I ordered, but we will see in a moment. These are the PBT one. It's not the double one, but it's the normal one. I don't have any knowledge as such into this, but I think I might have been sent a different set, because I ordered white and bluish. Let's just open it and see which one is it. There's not much mentioned. I mean, this is how the box looks like, and yeah, I mean, as you can see, this is their website name. It says PBT35. What do we have here? Nothing much written. Let's just try to open this up. Alright, keycaps. So yeah, I'm going to be basically be building this keyboard. So we have the keyboard here without the switches and the keys, or say the caps. We have the keycap set, and we do have the switches. The switches, as I said, we are going to be using the yellow switch, the silent yellow. I mean, I don't have any knowledge into this keyboard building. It's the first time. But then again, let's just pray to the God that these are going to turn out good, because I like my switches, or the feeling of a keyboard, to be silent. I don't like those crackle sound. You might have guessed what I'm trying to say. Or else you can just discuss this in the comment section. So what do we have here? Okay. Yep, it seems that, yeah, oh okay, I just got confused as to, let's just see what inside the box. There's nothing else. Let's just throw it away as well. I was kind of confused. I was like, what? There are no arrow keys? I mean, that's going to be a bummer. But then again, these are how they are going to look like. I hope they are the blackish, bluish, buttons. And it seems they are PBT or whatever that is. So yeah, these are the keycaps. Let's see how it goes on with the keycap. Let's try to move on with the switches. So I have shown you the keycaps, I will show you the switches, then I will show you the keyboard. After that, I'm just gonna fast forward everything and just showcase directly to you as if how the keyboard is going to look like. One more thing, I haven't seen a video of K8 Pro. So yeah, the keyboard name is Keychron's K8 Pro, and I haven't seen a custom built K8 Pro as of now. So yeah, let's move this here. What else do we have? Yeah, so now it's time for the yellow switch unboxing. So I think it's just a capsule or a bottle. So let's just try to unbox it directly. I hope I don't cut them. Then again, scissors are the best thing to unbox your packaging. For me, at least. I mean, you can use knives as well. As you can see, it says Keychron's highlight switch. Yellow SMD 5-pin. Back by Keychron. I mean, the name is confusing. So these are the yellow switches. I hope they're gonna work out fine. They do have, as you can see, let me just showcase it to you. These pins, and we're gonna use those pins as well. So yeah, these are the yellow switches, silent one. Let's move on to the actual keyboard. So let me just bring this up. Okay, a-okay. Let's see. Oh, awesome. Look at the packaging. Damn. Keychron. That's a nice packaging. Let me just put it here so that my dad could, show you how it looks like. Just try to move these straps away. Let me just show you the box as well. What's inside the box? Will you please showcase the box? Yep, there's nothing inside, only this box. So as you can see, this box looks great. I mean, it just looks like an branded product like Apple, where you have this plastic covering the keyboard. So yeah, let me just ask my dad, how is the packaging? Do you like it?
Yeah, it's good condition.
Oh, that's great. So as you can see, this plastic looks good, and let me just show you, let's just do a showcase for it. So as you can see, this is how it looks from the front. It just says whatever features it consists of. We are going to show the rear of it. Again, it shows the compatibility, the specifications for the same keyboard. You can customize it. That's the best feature about mechanical keyboard. A TKL mechanical keyboard. What do we have here? We do have the model number and all those stuffs. We don't have to show that. What we can show is month and year of import, 52022. I mean, yeah, it is old, an year old, but okay, it's fine, and it's still packed. Alright then, let's try to open this up. I don't see anything else on the sides. It's just the branding of the keyboard. Let's try to open this up quickly and show you how the Barebone looks like. So by Barebone, it means there won't be any keycaps and switches, as I told you previously. So try to move here. Let's try to showcase this. Okay. Let me. Okay. All right. Let's just peel it. Peel the plastic. Ah, great. The feeling. That's awesome. That's amazing. Let's move these plastics away. Okay. What else? How do we open this? All right. So it's like the mobile phone cases or boxes. let me just move it here. This is how it looks like. So there's a foam. I remove the foam. What do we have here? All right. And it tells you, you know, how you can use it, how you can use the VIA softwares and all those stuff, and what it's compatible with. So yeah, we'll you know, learn from it later on. Let me just move it aside. What do we have here? Keychrons. Make sure switch pins are straight before inserting switch in. So yeah, these pins should be, you know, straight. And what do we have here? Please be gentle and make sure to align the pins with the socket properly. Alright, they are just this is just disclaimer. They're just safeguarding that, you know, you have to use those switches correctly or else you will break it, and then it's going to cost a lot. So this is the braided cable. This keyboard is wired and wireless. So yeah, this is the type C end and it's the USB A end. Alright, that's great. What else? We do have a screwdriver. Okay, let's move it. We have it's a keycap puller and it's a switch puller. Yeah, so there are two-in-one things here, or say just two pieces of them. Okay, let's try to open this plastic. What do we have? Oh, so there's another manual for the same with that big one. We're just going to, you know, read it later on. Let's just showcase you the keyboard, and let me just remove the plastic. So yeah, this is how the keyboard looks like. It's Barebone. So we are going to be building it, as I showed you the switches and the keycaps. And let me show you from the side. These are the switches which basically turns this keyboard from Windows to Mac, and I think it enables the Bluetooth and the wired, you know, options. And here this type C goes on. So yeah, this is the keyboard. Looks and feels sturdy and looks premium. It just comes with foam and all those layering, and I will show you the rear as well. And yeah, there's this stand for this keyboard. Yeah, so this is how it looks like from the side, and it's not the aluminum one, it's the plastic one, because there was no option on the website where I purchased it from the Keychron's website. And yeah, I mean, this is how it looks like. So I will build this and we'll showcase it to you once it has been built. So yeah, I will see you in a moment. So yep, I have connected the K8 Pro to my system, and this is how it looks when in light. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to turn off the lights, and then I will showcase you how it looks. So you can see these are, I mean, it looks beautiful. And yep, you can change the colors, the way the patterns are, the animations. I mean, yeah, I will do a separate video for that. So yeah, it looks beautiful. Let me just turn on the light again. And yeah, this keyboard has been custom, you know, built by me, apart from the, you know, chips and all. So the parts are Keychron K8 Pro Barebone wireless mechanical keyboard. I mean, it was Barebone when I unboxed it. The keycap set is the OEM die sub PVT keycap, bluish black white, although it isn't bluish, it's more of black color. And the Keychron silent switch, which are the yellow one. So yeah, I hope you like this, and let me just zoom in. You can enjoy the way it looks. It is beautiful, and yeah, it looks good. I am happy with the money that I've paid for it.